So you want to earn money simply by doing Google searches. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, but before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button so YouTube notifies you of all the latest money making tips videos. Let's get right into it. So this is the website we are using. It's called askwonder.com. That is askwonder.com. Great research delivered fast, okay? Effortless and flexible. Fast turnaround, unlimited scale, hassle-free. All right, 6,000 plus analysts available at the push of a button. We enable massive scales for the most challenging and sizable projects, hassle-free. You ask and we take care of the rest. We assemble an A team on the fly, so you don't have to find, train, or manage anyone, okay? So this is mainly from the perspective of people who would be hiring you through the website, okay? Some people who use this are AARP, Staples, Bloomberg, okay? WPP, all right? There's a lot of names up here, GE, that you probably recognize. I love Wonder. It's like having an on-demand, personal, graduate-level Ivy League research assistant who never sleeps or complains. I primarily use Wonder for work-related questions, but also use them when I need a weekend itinerary, all right? Let us help your team succeed. Wonder for consultants, Wonder for agencies, Wonder for finance, all right? So this is all about if you were gonna use the website to get your questions answered, but you don't need to worry too much about that because what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be basically answering questions for them simply by using Google, okay? Simply by using Google, all right? So here is a little snippet of how this would look. So you have some questions over here. What is the global market size of the non-traditional human-machine interface industry? What is the market size of the global anxiety economy? What is the size and breakdown of the mattress industry in the United States? And what you're simply going to do is you're going to take this, right? You're going to take this question right here. You're going to copy it, go over here, and you're going to paste it. And you're going to get an answer that you could answer. This is just a test question, but you could answer for the website. Now, how much do you get paid? That's probably what's on your mind. You will get paid between $8 and $16 per search, okay? So you could probably say an average of about 11 or 12 in the middle. So if you do 10 of them a day and you're getting 12 bucks, that's $120 a day simply by doing Google searches. Now, it does depend on how many questions they have offered, right? Because you know, it's a supply and demand issue. If a lot of people need questions answered, you're gonna be making a lot of money. If it's a slow week and people don't need a lot of questions answered, you're gonna be making less money, all right? So very simple. A lot of this could be answered through Google. If it can't be answered through Google, I'm sure you can find an answer on another search engine. I mean, everything's at the tip of our fingers now, so you don't really have to worry too much about that, all right? And they have data, statistics, lists and spreadsheets, insights, and trends, okay? So these are just, you know, some of the sections that you will be answering. You can kind of get an idea of what the questions you'll be answering are and how it's gonna work, all right? So pretty simple. Now, this is again all mostly for them, and if you could kind of look at how they're making money, if you wanted to hire someone, if you're a business owner or something, it starts at about 60 bucks for a membership if you wanted to hire people. But for most people watching this, you probably want to become a research analyst, which is pretty simple, all right? So trusted leaders from top-tier consulting firms to the world's most recognizable brands trust Wonder every day with their sensitive research needs. Members have the option to exclude research from public indexes or use in content marketing. Our researchers are not given any information about you or your firm beyond what you choose to share. So what you're going to do when you get to this website, and that is askwonder.com, you're going to go all the way to the bottom. You're going to go to apply here. From here, you could apply to work on Wonder, okay? It's pretty simple. Determine a product or service, competitive landscaping, explain a trend, gather statistics, determine the size of a market, all right? All of this, guys, can be answered. If not all of it, 99% of it can be answered through Google or Bing searches. Apply online. Complete our online application to let us know you're interested in joining our research community. Get accepted. Show us your research skills via a simple online quiz and trial assignment. Start researching. Explore open requests, dive into research, and say hello to your fellow researchers, all right? It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's a great way to make some side money online from the comfort of your own home. You earn, you work, and you learn. Remember, you're doing this, you're going to become more knowledgeable. You're going to become a smarter, more knowledgeable person while getting paid. What's better than that? It's the opposite of college versus paying other people to teach you. You're teaching yourself but getting paid. Pretty sweet deal if you ask me. If you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. That's it for today's video. If you guys want to get a free stock, link is in the description. I have some awesome offers in the description. Check that out. Some really cool products. Check those out, link in the description. And I'll catch you next time.